Hey guys, in this video I will show you two ways how you can change your name in Zoom, and it's really easy, right? So the first step what you need to do here is to go on your channel icon that is on a top right corner. Then you need to click it, and then you need to press on my profile here, and then you will be redirected to this page. You need to, of course, if you're not signed in, you need to sign up and log in. And then as you can see here on a top there is your as you can see name, and on the right side there is little button edit, right? Press on that, and as you can see here you can edit your name here, and after you're satisfied with your name, press here save changes, and as you can see here the name is changed. And other way how you can basically change your name is you can start new meeting here, and once the meeting is on, we need to wait because it's connecting, as you can see here. And as you can see here, join with, of course we can off this, and as you can see here on a bottom there is participants button. You can click on this and it will be all your participants, and if you hover your mouse on the participant that you want to change name, the more button pops up. You need to click on that, and here you can rename it whatever you want. Alright, so there is two ways how you can change your name in Zoom. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.